Hi friends, welcome to my channel VV's World, and this is Vamshi. Today I am going to show you the unboxing of DELL SE2419HR LED monitor, and then we will connect it to a laptop and see how it works. Before getting into that, let's look at the specifications. It's a 24-inch monitor and you can connect to this monitor using a VGA cable or a HDMI cable. And when it comes to a display, it's a LED Balcklit LCD display, and it's a full HD display with 1920 by 1080 as its resolution. Now let me quickly unbox the product, and before doing that you can check here. It's a 24-inch monitor and the model number is SE2419HR. So please remember to check this before opening the box. Now let me open it and see what are all the things we have inside. We have a HDMI cable included in the box, using which you can connect your product, that is your monitor, to either your laptop or any other device you want to. And along with that we have a power card. Let me open it and see the quality of it. If you see here, it's a power card using which you can switch on your monitor, and it's a very good quality power card. And as usual we have a user manual here. Along with that there are a few things here. Let me check that out quickly. So it is the monitor base, and we have the connector, like if you want to connect your base to your monitor, so this is the connector over here, so you can see this. Now let's quickly look at the monitor. So it is a pretty decent monitor. You can see it, guys. Okay, I'm opening it very safely because it's a delicate part. So if you look at it, oh, it's good. Okay, I thought like 24-inch monitor would be small, but I'm wrong. It's sufficient for me. And if you look at here, we have three options. One is VGA cable port, another one is HDMI port, another one is power card port. So guys, finally I have connected my monitor to my laptop using HDMI cable, and I have checked the clarity of the screen with few HD wallpapers which I downloaded from the net, and it's pretty good. It's a decent one, so I liked it. For its price, it's okay to take it, so you can go for it, guys. There are two cons I can say. One is like you cannot adjust the height of your monitor, and the second one is you cannot wall mount it. There is no such option. And you can tilt the screen if you want slightly, so that is one advantage. And if you want more reviews from me, please do like my videos and subscribe to my channel VV's World. Thank you.